Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another Lookfantastic unboxing. It's a limited edition, newly released Discovery scent edit. You may be familiar with the other scent edits Lookfantastic have done. If not, you basically get a box full of little miniature bottles of perfumes, which are gorgeous, really beautiful. I've got a few of them behind me on my perfume stand. Sometimes we get added freebies in there as well. And then you receive a voucher, which is exactly the same price as you paid for the box, to be used against a full-size version of one of the perfumes in the box. This is exactly the same, but on a smaller scale. This Discovery edit costs £10, and you are given a £10 voucher to be used against a full-size version of one of your favourites. And here, it contains 5 sample perfumes. They're all 1.2 mils, plus you get this bag as well. So when I first saw it, I thought brilliant, a great price point. That's a nice little bag there. But then I was thinking, who would this appeal to? I'm spending £10 to receive this Discovery box, which is fine. If I don't want to purchase the full-size versions of these perfumes, then I've essentially spent £10 on 5 samples. This box is for those who have tried them before and know you like them, so you fancy having a few extra samples, and then you've got your £10 off then, a full-size version, say for a gift for yourself or for someone you know, or something like that. It's only really worth it if you know you are going to buy your perfume. I've just scanned the QR code and it's brought me to a Discovery scent edit for him. So there's exactly the same as this for £10, but for him. So I'll pop that down below in my description, as well as links to this box. And I have a discount code, which is DiaryLF, which will entitle you up to 25% off site-wide, including these limited edition boxes. They tend to work on the first day or two of release, and then after that they don't work. So you never know, it might work on this one. But yeah, you'll find it listed all down there, as well as my other discount codes and offers that I've got for other websites. So let's give them a go then, one by one. Starting off with Psy or C, I have had this before, and I got a feeling I do really like it, but I do remember not being able to pronounce it properly. And because I haven't had it for a long while, I've completely forgotten, because normally I ask you lot, how do I pronounce it? I'd say Psy, S-I. Eau de Parfum, Giorgio Armani, and yeah, we got 1.2 mil there. Okay, I've got 5 perfumes now. I'm going to spray. Yeah, I do like that. Yeah, that is nice. Not enough to buy, but I do really like that. If someone walked past me and they had that on, I'd be like, they smell nice. It's a little bit on the sweet side for me. I definitely use it. Next up, Lancôme, La Vie est Belle. A little one there. I'm sure I smelled this before as well. Oh, it's all going to mix, isn't it? Hold on, what shall I do? Whew, that's quite strong. That's quite strong. Let's see if I can spray it on here. No. No, that's definitely not for me. No, it's quite a powerful, strong scent. I am useless at describing. Does it say in there what it is? No? No, not for me. Okay, 1-0. Next is Falling Out. I've got Voce, Viva, Intensa, Valentino. And that one's hardly there. Look. It's gone. Right. Let's have a sniff. See if it blends in with the rest. Ooh. Yeah, I quite like that one. I think I prefer that one to the Psy. That is really nice. I need to spray it on my skin to really have a whiff. Yeah, I do like that. Voce Viva Intensa. Replica, I do like Replica. Lazy Sunday Morning in Florence, 2003. Soft skin and bed linen. Oh, okay. There. Oh. Yeah, it is nice. It is nice. Initially, it's like a weird smell. It reminds me of something weird. I can't describe it. But then it like sort of dies down into a really nice fresh smell. I really like that as well. So 3-1. Last one then. Oh, I know I'm not going to like this. This is Alien by MUGLER. And 1.2. I'm sure I don't. Hold on. It's all blending now. I can't smell it. Not really. It just smells too alcohol-y. It smells more like hand sanitizer, you know? It's not a bad smell. I was expecting it to be bad. Or not, it's not bad, but a perfume I don't really like. It's nicer the longer it's on my skin. Yeah, that's not too bad actually. Why did I think I didn't like it? It must be, what is the star one? I say the star one, but it's called Angel. But no, this one's alright. It's not too bad. So out of the 5, there's only one I don't like, which is the Lancôme one. The La Vie est Belle. Can you see through them there? So I've been spraying quite a bit. I'd love to hear what you think of this Discovery edit. Did you buy it yourself, or did you think, nah, do you know what? I know what this perfumes are like. Not for me. I'm not going to take advantage of the £10 off. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.